wafe mankasa de Akosua nyina no timi ginai why ade na me bo abaso me mpa ebo ne se metia we yake hye ho den sine wani kausimi aso fade bo we na nkunima botire ye de bebo emo aba mu buate nyame ti ase
Abusua no wase na yensa wa kwa babiem emra GH report so na anoma bi abohwema bi agumasum na ne nyina efa apiwa Maame Akosua Serwaa eko na wachire mu akire dienti a apio no maame no ebewini ene wochire ya koduru ba bi se baby enema kakọ no wanhwe a German Consulate no ebetimi aba bewura mu court honom na omoba be prove beyond all reasonable doubt that LUMBA ene Maame Akosua Serwaa omaware a omoware ye e Germany no ene German Consulate no ebetimi aba bewura mu na omaba be chereche enema mu honom na woto aso edi nkomo ene wo se hwe uba Ghana hanom a ODO BRONII yamani security a chese wo screen so a ODO BRONII security a yase wone no etie ene da screen so no enti esisen ene obi na ba bi a wase ena Akosua Serwaa no obi betima ne bone Akosua Serwaa hwe wose Akosua Serwaa o step foot e wo Ghana hanom a ye wo Germany emra wona ebo ne ho ban German embassy e wo Ghana ha no omo so woni pa omo hwe ye Maame Akosua Serwaa enti anything about Maame bia no and I say anything about Maame no e ya de say German aban no eni edi na chi pa na ye betie ensem ne emu enchemu a wode amame na woni ma brante ye friend Alabama abusua Alabama so aba media no so abebo na dwene papa e de ache Maame Akosua Serwaa na ensem bia wo ka no bro ano ding na mesre kame ho ani die no bokwaso ena your first time na wetimi ahete subscribe button no so na wache wadwe e comment section wo like video na mani beje pa enti yenko na ye hwese de ensem esifasite na ye ni kai enkotie sa enkomo bona mensaka sa audio no na yenti ekwan a ye Maame Akosua Serwaa betimi afaso awini sa apiwa walk on yenko ni kotimra
Ghana for I'm so filled with joy when I'm at the crow Akosua Serwaa fusu obe weni appeal and I'll tell you why. The court case now mudi in November 2025 now. She lost the court case now. Please, it was a loss. It's not a win. Because she's the only wife of LUMBA, not one of the wives. That is why she lost the case. The only reason why I obey Winnie case no, a judge's decision na o make it no, se onya yere no. The only reason why you can't say the ordinance no ending is the fact you see when to me improve it. And yet the fact say the distance between the LUMBA and Omu claim say 17 years versus 7 years. So 7 years somebody 10 years I can't. Because 2018 was LUMBA can send the Union Akosua Serwaa to 2025 year court case no, that makes it 7 years no. If the judge can say ordinance certificate no you two but omuntematiti ha chenti maybe a worry be any hopioma, that would have been more painful. An appeal would have been more difficult. But the beauty of this is judge the certificate no pet and it was in question. But yin certificate no yema no be ampa. This time with the appeal, she's come prepared. With all the things they found fault with the previous one. And I sometimes say oye e kufufuro so ni a lot of benefits. Just imagine say your Maame Akosua Serwaa only German citizenship. Nanka oye Ghana ni na oni or Ghana citizenship na onye on free Germany no ni German passport. Nanka se we could be din kuku poto marriage certificate kebe yira am a booklet in that registry office the grass yira. The whole year ni nyina worry nyina ni nyina kebe yira. Keja beto ho amashi. That is Ghana. You know, sometimes Ghana you say be go Ghana anymore. But the fact is Germans almost citizens who grow, including Akosua Serwaa Fosu. My dear, the trauma this woman has gone through, the threat to her life. ODO BRONII was security in Ghana. Do you think Akosua Serwaa is not being protected by her consulate in Ghana? Oh yes. They may call in all the time to check up on her, to make sure she's safe. They've given her all the safety measures. All threats to her life will be taken seriously because you're a German citizen. She's just like a German Brunei or Ghana, just that or a Ghanaian. The German government wouldn't take this seriously. You must be joking. Since you see a BBS were Ghana near evacuate Germans, I had never come with an aqua. But more German, I'm to Germany, no more, I'm a Ghana holidays, I'm Ghana passport will remain in Ghana, evacuate you, maybe. She's safe. And the most beautiful thing is that German observers are going to be at the appeal to observe, to support their citizen. Akosua Serwaa has got all the help, psychologically, everything that she needs from Germany. Do you know how this is beautiful? This trial was meant to go this way. I mean, believe in spiritual, so that we would see, say, Ghanaians have to learn to look after their own. Here in Germany, Bayo Munipa, she will win the court case hands down. German experts will come and explain their certificate if Ghana has doubt. This time they would come to explain. This time it's going to be clean. It's going to be documented. Ghana will not jeopardize any diplomatic relationship with Germany. Ghana citizens who are Germany, they need similar services for her. The same thing now. Because it's our Ghana. No. Daddy LUMBA had a long stay in Ghana. And I think said Daddy LUMBA, and yet Germany clear to say they're 10 on the baby. Anyway, that's a story for another day. But Akosua Serwaa Fosu is safe. Team Legal Wives, you be winning court case no. And our Team Legal Wives, and yet a year no more is for everybody, man, woman who believes in the truth. They may kind of say, and Kalumba pe Akosua Serwaa because we won't be here. Akosua Serwaa Fosu, I wish you all the luck, but you don't need it because I know you would win. The first one, they thought it was easy, but the fight is on, tooth and nail. Thank you. Please never give up. Do this for us. Stand in for us. You're the Yasantwa of our time. The calmest Yasantwa. You are unwavering. People can't see. But you're no shaky. You're cool and collected. Thank you.
Okay, eti ensem no ena wonya bia wuti ye no, eti ekwenye maame no obetimi afaso na wawini appeal na wodi akodan court no eno ena woti mu nchichi mu achese ye hwe na hwe kora na bedu baabi no German Consulate ni betimi awura mu ene ye betimi nya lawyers craft from Germany na omo be cheche German mrani mu ni ade nyina e wo court wa chese bibibia dey say maame no possibility obewini court case no higher eti wutie sede enkomo ni sifa eba ya mesaka bi na wache wadwene e wo comment section wo di amame now yenkoti Alabama na makoboni a watwi e di agu maame no ho no ano den Alabama di asembeba o yenko ni nkoti sa ensem no
meaning Akosua Serwaa was an enemy in disguise. That's what it means. she was an enemy in disguise. Now we yere be catch us say watamfo nya na tamfo a o yere no ondo me na me kan cho nde ukunu be kasa watamfo nya na tamfo a ukunu ono a period. This be a person solve the issues. But also why then once a mira kasa wo adie we ni adie we waye we are the tamfo, that's it. Me supporting against you. Ko yana man pedi. Very simple. Yana man pedi. Nya wo me safety any wo. Me da me yere me safety kutano because on nanity a obetumi de sika wo me minimum ti akume say obetumi poison me so easily. Ejade na me do wo outside and check me wife and I me tie wo nche and Akosua Serwaa ya di we on ama he monwa adentina lumba omo mo tat se ampon omo tin ko doboni ho busa that question adentina omo ti se ampon no mo ni wo problem omo tin ko odoboni ho adentina ask yourself. Because she will not receive them. Because we need lumba tamfu nyina. Now, we must have this final question. No, be abam. Where is Akosua Serwaa's wedding ring? Oyima hwan.
Ala ojatu.
Oyima hwan. A very important question. Oba no. The first time Oba ni refi ni ho. Ofri abrochire ba abrote se lumba ewu no ni refi oba no munko he nsa obia go wear those pictures no sharing oba no share okoya o se ba no share fake one akoto because kofo kan wa say enkofo ebeka se eti je wo ye bia no sharing bia AI because me kwa me ye AI unya kan widow creating a widow. Now the Akosua Serwaa picture show up. Once you video, no, but the ring a shadow. But all but free airport over there a video. No ring. Ask the question. The questions ask them. No ring. Or buy na or call no. Or say ba bio no. Now or ring. Now or saba we no or ring. Wayama hwan the lumba ring no ye to bema no adakam aname boa
ala no kwa bi ntama o se video bi ba ya na omo che ne gift Christmas mo na ring nation no
mo me say aname boa ye eto be eto oyi ma hwan o de ama hwan meaning won worry the lumba dawo worry no for a long time omo cha ya che ring no kwa wayi. Say ring is show kran we here you see that mark that line e wo ho obi ka say an bia na nchi na confanche oyi ring ne ma hwan na we here ma papa shee anania adi ato wadi wanania na because okunu wu a na wo ye kuna ye yi ring ne hye eto adaka ni ewon ring ne wan say na wa ware a where is your ring Maame we on enunti na me mabrabom me nware oba we di nda o ana me ben oba we di o me pe o masem yes me pe e ma di asem one o ma obre problem akra they don't communicate di you can solve asem on kasa but they are very very wicked. That man, very, very wicked. Or person your bonia, very, very wicked. And or the resentments. And then Maame no who say our speech problem ana. Our speech problem. Because okasa mentio. Our speech problem, I think. Ana bibi ewone. I think say I could stroke because they all yell one. And I say she's being controlled. She's being controlled by some group of people. Tama omragana, tama onko, tama onye bibiano, ase ubikuta remote, and all ye or handle. Now why you be a man control? Wow, ever on talk TikTok. And TikTok, look at the people you employ. Okay, Manenkas and Nijo, me, Alabama, Minti and they be joining it legal wives. Because starting on Mebrabako platform. Who do you Ashanti Queen call live and so. And okay say so Bia Kasachena obeti me nkwadie never okana ho meaning say obeko baabi na obeye bibia ebeye meme de pa die ezida nto obeko so akun but Alabama me so mo amutie me need the personal my videos are blast mu pa I expose mu pa I'm a mamu di pa but other than mo family too much I just want you to start maybe someone am starting. I hope say na mu beti mo de beye na mo start ya e ho na ebe hu ba bi wi e be 10 year ODO BRONII I swear to God and I me kasa keke be the other things be follow na ya hwe de be si o app no so sabu mo achi mo amunim ba bia mo de mo ntokwa mo amunim enkoko am de mo taka ko mo so and me I have gurus so I am back door na ka be hu mensum in no time kra na ka be hu de be si wo app yi so anopa awia anumre anopa awia anumre e be yam hoduma saa and e mana mumu no muisu fake account na mo wa app no so mo je say bebre no yenimu se si akwa me kasa me picture to nipa 3 e na me di mo mazisa mo profile pictures nipa 3 mo ye cowards papa na me nim say mo ye cowards me kasa obi a choko asema me di profile picture beto no mo ho ase ho mo ngwa ase ni bi de papa cowards nkwane egu app no mo ye didi they don't read they can't write they are wire visa take visa away they are gone me na come chow eti wuti UK Ukraine asem yi bi sia oko Ghana abenya ba bi di theater there I'm asking you guys wuti UK say Ukraine asem yi bi see and now Ubetia a chaplain take it. Some of you, most cannot boast of £1,000 in their account. Physical cash, £1,000. How many? And it will be £1,000. Now what see? Now we did it. Now kasa. Now we did it. Now we did despite that time. Abra day an hour with me spending £1,000. Page man yeska. Na they be alive. Na mafa. On se mofa mene Debbie Closet a picture ekoye no. Munko busa Debbie Closet. Se omiti Alabama no. E ma yie no net say. Me ana me. Etia me bo abusuapanyin abaso. Mumusa Debbie Closet. Monko the last videos that David Closet post to you know. Look at the funeral at Alabama. Yeah. Namo motia ye didi namo kaka abusuapanyin ayi a oye ho asem. Ba mo papa mo ayi e wo mu page. Munim se musu jimi nti e wo mu page and e futuro mu na namo ye ayi. E na wo ka wo timiliga wa wo ka obi ayi se anyefe. E so wo papa ayi mu ye de futuro. Arena mu hosa. Back to Akosua Serwaa. Swindler. They are open no. Unya. Me catch on the plane. Unya. Adia wa amrenya no. Wa amre no. Unya ho ade biara. Everything am ko contracting ko for say am ko protest. Hey, uti UK. COS and a use and okra wouldn't say Ubenya Bio, a woo, a very new man, a renew man. One man could feel my data. I'm walking to airport. Eko shall be Baby or no on call Nipomukrada. What I would Juma hours and Kadwa Kwayaka at the jail renting. wo de akoji saa nyema we achi e de na wonya firi mu once obetena fi ba ebi makọ adwuma akoye adwuma nya be 7 hours 8 hours abafi e na wo koye Akosua Serwaa na lumba wu aka woni obi efe na Akosua Serwaa se lumba wu a woni obi efe na Akosua Serwaa na mo kan se emema ye ne yetete mo na se gya ma ware kura na ya na mo ho ye fe ma abo na mo kan mo se gya ware kura na mo ho ye fe maame die gya na ware ne ho ye fe na se ne ho ye fe it is that time na we are free no other no gya we are free no what were you doing with your life pa je na ntimi hwa wo ana lumba mo se on hwema na on hwema eso abo mo tua mo gejewie mo kika japade no ade na wanfa Germany japade na anka ho Akosua Serwaa mo kika japade a de lumba wo Ghana no de wo Germany na wanfa anka ho na odi kempon ene nam he lumba studio e wo fi kempon is not a man I can respect. I mean, can plain, and I'll give you reasons. Me Alabama crime ya crime. I mean me who's kabiano. Let me tell you one thing. Me no ba entina. Emma on kwabo and me on gala and sign in the back da. The moment I be my best move, I don't respect you. Oba what in now anything. Also warren. Oba ne wejaya akọ ama players edididididin sa Amanda omodini sa ama na gege nyina beto abonte ode toa bottle wo mi na sise chuku I still have the videos Amanda edi bottle wo na se chuku a whole bottle the day you dino every akware no but the day you sent Tino in marriage or wa mu no and the day you ehwe no who the day you got it adara mo bobo na Egypt obi so ni kamu a ne hwewa ebe pie abonte se mo kote akuta akwa no eno no de chie no hwe no free Amanda ho no Jordan you sorry Jordan thank you Jordan Jordan thank you for the correction Jordan you Oyini also player the or balancing the player the so the come. Ena akwane hwa apie ho. Me kwa me be ma na me ma hye. Akokuta hwa. Wa hwe oba no. Ama players nya ono nko players ni bebre. Asane sa woman we ada. Na wasa gine back. Bacho Nasa me bacho wa enkra wa wonche no me bacho wa fi won ne ko ba funu na ebi mo sre mo ko ba funu enkra no me macho wa akra bia wati aseboni bia fa cheme
okay eti Alabama na wote se wo kan nsem e honom no na wotie nsem dia wotim se we team side check pa e no hwe team side check em se wo yo mo PR ana se o yo mo kasamafo kese na ni abre na wo kan ti when I say we team side check udie wom che wadwene e comment section e ma me we team Akosua Serwaa ene team legal wife na wachire wadwene e comment section e de ma me we team koyo nso eye papashee ngrofo nso a na mo so matime awura mu a chire mo wadwene e comment section we di no eye Kobe ana obetimi afre me Kobe finest yes abishia